Video Review Script, 2025 Vintage Car Restoration Process. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into something truly exciting, the 2025 Vintage Car Restoration Process. Whether you're an enthusiast or a first-time viewer, if you're into cars and the craftsmanship behind restoring these automotive classics, you're in for a treat. Restoring a vintage car is a labor of love, and it all starts with the exterior. The restoration process typically begins with assessing the bodywork. Every inch of rust, dent, and imperfection is carefully repaired or replaced. Restorers go the extra mile to ensure the exterior looks just like it did when it first left the showroom. The painting process is where a lot of magic happens. Many vintage car restorations will use original color codes or a slightly upgraded version to give that rich, glossy finish. The car's chrome and other exterior elements, like the bumpers and mirrors, are also meticulously polished or replaced to bring back their original shine. Overall, the goal is to preserve the car's vintage look while ensuring the exterior is as close to new as possible. Now, when we talk about price, this restoration process is no small investment. Depending on the car's make, model, and condition, a full restoration can range anywhere from $30,000 to upwards of $100,000 or more. This price includes parts, labor, and of course, any necessary upgrades to meet modern standards, like improved suspension or braking systems. Restorers use high-quality materials, which can drive up the cost, but the end result is a car that looks and feels brand new. It's an investment not only in the car's longevity but in the experience of driving a piece of automotive history. Moving on to the interior, this is where a lot of the charm of a vintage car restoration comes to life. The upholstery is often redone with period-correct fabrics or leather, which is one of the most time-consuming and expensive aspects of the restoration. Whether it's the dashboard, the steering wheel, or the seats, every part is reconditioned or replaced with exact replicas or superior materials. The craftsmanship in restoring the interior can make or break the experience, as it brings the entire vintage ambience back to life. While some restorers might integrate modern touches like updated sound systems or air conditioning, the heart of the interior still stays true to the car's original aesthetic. Performance is another critical area in the restoration process. Vintage cars, while beautiful, often lack the power and efficiency of modern vehicles. To make these classic machines more functional while maintaining their charm, restorers frequently update the engine, transmission, and exhaust systems. The goal is to keep the car's original performance spirit alive but enhance its capabilities to meet today's driving standards. This can include adding new technology under the hood, like fuel injectors or modernized cooling SY.